Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. So far in Quantum Journey, we have uncovered some of the universe's strangest ideas, from wave-particle duality to spooky entanglement. Today we are exploring another famous mind-bender, the Heisenberg Uncertainty Principle. You might have heard it is about how measuring something changes it. While that can happen, the real reason is much deeper, and it is all about a fundamental trade-off. To understand it, let's use a simple analogy from our everyday world. Imagine you are in a completely dark room and you are trying to figure out where a buzzing fly is and exactly what path it is flying on. Your only tool is a flashlight. You have two choices. Your first choice is to use a very focused, tight beam. You can quickly sweep the room, and the moment the beam hits the fly, you will know its exact location with great precision. But in that single bright flash, the fly is just a frozen speck of light. You caught its position, but you have no idea what direction it was moving or how fast. Its momentum is a mystery. Your second choice is to use a wide diffused floodlight. When you turn it on, it illuminates a large part of the room. You might see a long, blurry streak of the fly's movement through the air. From this blur, you can get a very good sense of its speed and direction, its momentum. But because the whole area is lit up, the fly's location is fuzzy. It is somewhere in that large, bright patch, but you can't pinpoint its exact position at any given moment. You cannot use your flashlight to get a perfectly precise location and a perfectly clear path at the same time. The tools for finding one work against finding the other. This is the essence of the Heisenberg Uncertainty Principle. But for quantum particles like electron, an electron is not a tiny ball. It's a wave of probability. Having a very definite position is like the focused beam, a sharp blip of a wave. Having a very definite momentum is like the floodlight, a long, smooth, spread out wave. The particle simply cannot be both a sharp blip and a smooth wave simultaneously. Now here is a crucial quantum leap in understanding. In our fly analogy, the fly itself is still a solid object with a definite path. We just cannot see it perfectly with our flashlight. But in the quantum world, for a particle like an electron, this blurriness is not just in our observation, it is in the reality of the particle itself. The electron does not have a definite position and momentum at the same time. It exists in a fuzzy, probabilistic state where these properties are not just unknown but actually undefined until an interaction, like a measurement, forces it to take on a specific value. The more you force it to have a specific location, the more uncertain its momentum becomes. The more you define its momentum, the more fuzzy its location gets. This is not a problem with our technology, it's a fundamental rule of how the universe operates on the smallest scale. This inherent fuzziness is why atoms do not collapse and is a key player in quantum tunneling. So let's recap the key takeaways. Number 1, the Heisenberg Uncertainty Principle. It states that you can never simultaneously know the exact position and exact momentum of a quantum particle. Knowing one perfectly forces the other to be completely unknown. Number 2, it is not just a measurement error. It arises from the wave-like nature of all matter. The very idea of a particle having a perfectly defined position and momentum at the same time is a classical illusion. Number 3, this inherent uncertainty is a built-in feature of our universe. It is not a flaw, but a fundamental rule that allows the quantum world to behave in the strange and wonderful ways we have been exploring.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.